used half a cup of water. I love to use Greek yogurt, and I used a lot of it. I also added mayo, and it's a high fat mayo. I like that. 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Now, look at that. Fresh dill. I love fresh dill. And we're gonna cut it fine. Then put it in the bowl and mix it. Now look at that. That's so creamy, so delicious. That's gonna be yummy. I'm gonna put that in a squeeze bottle. And I made enough for exactly 1 squeeze bottle. Now that's going in the fridge for later.